Hey all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the door courtesy light bulb on this 2010 Toyota Tundra. Use a trim tool on this edge of the light housing, insert it between the light and the door panel and pop it out, and then you can pull the light out, press the tab on the connector and disconnect. There are two little hooks. There is one right here and one inside there that hold this assembly together. So you can press on this hook and pull it up a bit and then disengage this hook, and now you can slide this cover off and the bulb is exposed. You can grab the bulb and just wiggle and slide it out in this direction. Grab the replacement, and you can check the link in the video description for the replacement bulb, and then slide it in until it stops. They recommend using gloves so you don't touch the bulb with your bare hands. I don't think it's a big deal with these little ones because they don't get so hot, but this is what I'm doing. Grab the little cover, line it up, and clip it in. And make sure it's nice and secure. Plug the connector back in until it clicks, and then insert the connector side in first, and then pop it in, and there you go. Bulb replacement is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to see more Toyota Tundra maintenance and repair videos. See you next time. Cheers.